Okay guys, yeah. Welcome back to our channel. I heard some noises, I was watching TV, then my TV turned off. And I heard some noises, so I'm scoping out my place. Okay, nothing weird's in there. Scoping it out. So I hear tons of red noises. I'm scoping it out. Let me see. No one's in the bathroom. Hold on, guys. Let me turn on my flashlight so you guys can see. Okay, you can't see well. Let me turn on a light. See, there's nothing weird in there. My internet's not able. Heck, more things are happening. So I'm scoping out my room now. So I found my remote, but my TV's off. I didn't turn it off, so I'm scoping out the place. Yeah, nothing back there. So I'm gonna go look under my mom's bed, just in case. Nothing. Because my cat's under here, but I don't know if anybody else is under here. You can see her, yeah, you can. But looks like there's anybody else under here. No one but her. Hey, hello. I have some more noises, so yeah. But you guys, somewhat, you guys can see this. She doesn't make all weird noises. I know she doesn't. Yes. Oh, you guys fell. But you put it a lily, but I'm gonna go back to scoop another place. So here we go. Another shredder. Guys, go see the shredder. There's only 2 more places to check. Excuse me. Nobody's right there. Hey. So we're gonna scope out the closet. Hello? Hold on. You guys are gonna go in first. I'm over. See, that's that weird noise again. I caught that on camera. And no one's back there. That was a weird noise. I really wonder what that was. Scope that weird noise. Now we're going to scope out the hall closet. See? Suspicious people out there. See, look at that, people. Look at all that. We're gonna go scope out the hall closet. You guys are gonna go in first, and then I am going to look. It's right now, it's 8:40 in the morning. Ready? Right, you guys gotta go in first. Alrighty. Nobody's in there. But some more guys leave you in the kitchen. Find out that weird noise is, and it's gonna hide you somewhere. You guys won't see you, but you will scope out all the noise. Comment down below for another noise, just before I leave. Ghost, if you're in here, do whatever you need to do while I'm gone. So guys, yeah, you guys are going to come along to see. I will rewatch this video. I'm gonna check everything to make sure everything is not weird. Fridge. Yep. There's a whipped cream. Now the freezer. Yep. Okay, now guys, I'm really worried about the microwave. That's basically what we use. I'm gonna get guys a picture. Oh no, nothing. Okay. Well, that's pretty creepy. Okay, guys, you're going first for the camera. Actually, well, yeah. Nothing creepy to see there. Okay, nothing creepy to see there. There's the pantry. Well, I know it's fine. Pantry. What the frick? Nothing's worried, nothing. Okay, so what is that weird noise? Because I'm going to have some breakfast right now, so yeah. Get down the way. Sorry guys. Let's go follow Eliza, the little white girl out. Bye!